Halloween weekend and we're continuing the festivities with some pumpkin carving at my cousin's house up the road. I am wearing my Stranger Things shirt and I made some desserts that I wanted to share with you guys. Find this familiar. These are snow puff pastries that are filled with custard. I made a video on it a while back. I'll link it in the description box. The only thing I did differently was add some orange food coloring to the custard filling. You can't really see it, but I did add some orange food coloring, and then instead of the figure 8 design, I tried to do a Halloween design. Don't really like how it came out, but I did put boo and pumpkin. Yeah, that's supposed to be a pumpkin. I don't like how it turned out, but it is what it is. And then I also included the candy corn inspired Rice Krispie treats, which I made a video recently of. I will also link that in the description box. All right, we got some pumpkin carving to do, and my cousin had prepared build our own pizza tonight. So it's gonna be exciting, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with us. Trying to pick a pumpkin for pumpkin carving. So this is Shaylin's pumpkin that she picked out. That's Peyton's one over there.
Where are you?
Oh gosh.
Run, but you can't hide.
My fat, look at my hand like fits perfectly.
You're just gonna get it dirty.
Mom, where should I
I've never seen that.
For this year's Halloween theme, my children and I decided we wanted to do Stranger Things theme. And so right now I'm just going to show you some clips of how the children decorated the house. Yes, I let them do it all. They have a very creative side to them. Right here is Peyton's creation of Mind Flare, and this is something I ordered off of Amazon. We got some Stranger Things photos, the backdrop. These are just ripped out magazine photos that we posted on the wall. This is another creation of Peyton. This is the portal to the upside down world. Again, if you watch Stranger Things, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I didn't dress up. Me and my husband just matched with our Hellfire Club shirt. And this here is probably my favorite thing that my son came up with. So we have 11 right there. Elle doing her powerful pose as she is having this crushed can levitate in our kitchen. As far as trick-or-treating went, I didn't film too much. I was just kind of enjoying it in the moment with the family. But this house in particular, I thought was fun to share. They had this tube that was connected to their second story, and they were shooting down the candy into the children's bags. And here's something my kids always do, is candy trading once they're done trick-or-treating. Then to finish off Halloween night, I brought out the Saran Wrap Ball Game. All the kids were excited and surprised when they seen it because they love it. It's great for every occasion, and I made a video on how to make it, so please go and check that out if you're interested. It's funny because as I was filming, you'll notice that it's a little slow going in the beginning, and then it gets really crazy towards the end because everyone wants to get as much prizes as they can. And if you haven't watched the video of me making the ball, the center has the bonus prize, which was a $10 bill. So everybody was very motivated to be that person to get it. So continue watching to find out who wins that center prize. Now, if you follow along carefully, this is the part where my nephew accidentally mixes up a ball of trash with the ball that is actually the one with the prizes. So right now they are unraveling pretty much nothing. It's just balled up saran wrap that was previously removed, but they're gonna realize it very soon that they are opening the wrong thing.
That's the ball right there.
Oh my god. So we had the Mind Flare, is that what it's called, Peyton? Yeah. The Stranger Things Mind Flare for an extra week after Halloween. And sadly, Peyton is peeling it off. But this is his work of art. I gotta show you guys his other projects that he has made. But this thing is big, if you can kind of see size with him standing on a chair. It was the main prop for Halloween. If you watch Stranger Things, then you know. Look at all that tape he used. Oh my gosh. Hey, you better not be peeling paint off the walls. Goodbye.